right, I don't really know what I'm doing today, but I thought maybe Tuesdays would be a good day to work in Itty Bitty Journal. I could call it Tiny Tuesday. So here we are. So this is my Itty Bitty Journal ornament that I make and sell in my Etsy shop. And I thought, you know, it might be fun to do one and have it on the tree. And so I don't really have a theme in mind for this journal, but just maybe things that would make people laugh or feel good or smile. So I did find this little tiny piece of paper in my word stash, and it says, "Talk not so saucily," and I thought that was funny, and so maybe I could put that on this page and make some funny sayings for these guys to be saying. Make sure I'm in screen. Yeah, okay. I'm new at this, so bear with me. So yeah, this is a teeny tiny little surface to work on. But so I was really kind of, when I was thinking about doing this, I was struggling to come up with saucy words for these guys to be saying. I should have had my teenager here. She's good at saucy words. So also I've got this Sharpie S gel pen. Have you seen these? It says no smear, no bleed technology. So I'm going to try it on this page because these yearbook pages are just a little bit slick. So I have a feeling that they might smear if I use regular ink. So anyway, okay. I think he could just be like saying dork or something. So let me try to just work in here. D-O-R-K, jork. And a little speech bubble there, so we know it's coming from him. And this one could be saying moron. Moron. He gets a little speech bubble. And this little dude here, he just looks like he's saying OMG. All right. So we got some saucy words in there. I'm telling you, this is going to be a quick page. So then on this side, I think I'm going to take this off for working, which is a beautiful thing about that easily removable hook. They come with a little eyelet, so you can easily fish that in and out. Okay, so talk not so saucily. I got my extra strength glue stick here, and I need a little scissor because I want to cut these apart. And I'm gonna do talk not on one line, and then sew by itself, and then saucily. All right. So I'm just gonna rub that on the glue a little bit. Stick it down. Oh, it's not happy about that. It's like, that is not gonna work for, that is not enough stick. Okay, so we might need to go to tacky glue. I feel like that would maybe work, but actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use Yes Paste, because Yes Paste glues everything. When I use Yes Paste, I use a wet brush, a little scrubby brush, that I just keep in a jar of water here on my desk. And let's get some little bit mixed in there, get it on the brush, get a small amount there so we don't have lots of spill over. Okay. Yes Paste is like glue stick in a jar if you haven't used it. So you can just get it a little more precise with a brush, and I love that. And you can see it sticks better than the glue stick. Talk not. So, I don't even know where I got this quote from. Just have my little box of words here, and when I find something, I throw it in there. I'm telling you, 90% of my, you know, like having my act together is having a spot for specific things. When I don't have a spot for specific things, I am a mess. Ah, come on. Okay, we're fine. Talk not so saucily. And then I also have, okay, it's glued down good. Did this dry? Pretty much. I still give it another minute or so. I also had, I found this little word kind, and I wanted to maybe put that on the bottom with be kind. So this one, I can just cut out that B right there. I'm just totally winging this, you guys. But I mean, that's kind of what art journaling, junk journaling, whatever you want to call it is just winging it, being free to wing it, right? It's can be kind of tricky to work tiny, but it's so fun when it's done. Like when you have this little tiny book just full of inspiration, it's so fun. And I thought to have this on the tree and people can take it off and look at it is really neat. And then I was thinking, what if I did one every year? I mean, how cool would it be to just have a tree decorated with ornaments, journal ornaments? And also, what if like each family member, I know not everybody in a family is always creative, but you could have like everybody do a page, and then each year, like that could be your ornament for the year. Or if you do have artsy people in your family, they could each do a whole journal for the year. That'd be cool too. Talk not so saucily, be kind. Yes, I love it. Okay. This particular one doesn't want to stick down very good, but I think I got it now. So then I was thinking if I just go around and outline each one, you know? Kind of make it come off the page a little bit. A big jet flying over. I don't know if you can hear that. This pen is getting just a little goobly. There we go. Goobly, that's a word, I'm sure. Talk not so saucily. Be kind. So I'm kind of excited to see what else I put in this book. I've never filled up one of my itty bitties before. I really have enjoyed watching what other people do with them, but yeah. So I'm thinking maybe a scallop edge on here. Seems kind of fun. I have a white pen here, but I'm not sure if it works. Seems like last time I tried to use it, I couldn't make it work very well. I have a very hard time with white pens. I used to swear by, what's that Japanese one? I can't remember, but I used to swear by that, and then I got a couple that just wouldn't work no matter what I did with them. And so I stopped buying those. Sakura, maybe? And then I bought this one, and it worked pretty good. This this Sharpie oil pen, but it really just puts out a blot of paint, and then I just dip the pen in it and kind of paint with it, which is not ideal. So if you have recommendations for a white pen that has really good coverage, I would be so curious to hear. Look, it's just soaking into this brown paper, which is not what I was going for. See if another layer does anything. But I know some people, I guess some people really like Posca pens. I haven't tried those. I've heard other people say they're not that great, so I'm definitely curious to know your feedback and which white pens you have had good luck with. That looks a little better. Probably take a couple minutes to really dry. That's cute though. That's pretty cute. So yeah, I think we could be done there. Okay, let me pull this up closer for you to see. So that's 2 pages done in our itty bitty journal for Tiny Tuesday. So if you're playing along, let me know. I would love to see what you've done. And again, let me know what you think about white paint pens or ink pens. All right, have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.